Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to TikTok videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now make a video as you normally would. Here you can see the text option in the right hand side of your screen. Click on it. Now type in the text you want to add. Here you can change the color, background, font and alignment of your text. Then tap on Done button. You can also change the placement of your text if you drag and drop it. Tap the text and you can add extra effects like text to speech and set duration. And if you're done, tap on Next button. And now you can proceed to upload your video. And that is how you can add text to TikTok videos. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.